Hi guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up properly Visual Studio Code with your Vim. First of all, go to extensions here in Visual Studio Code and write down Vim, press enter, and the first result you're going to get is Vim emulation for Visual Studio Code with 2 million downloads. Here we go. Just install this one, click on whatever is it, install. Then what you want to do is do Ctrl+Shift+P and write down settings here and open settings JSON. You want to open the JSON file of the settings of Visual Studio Code. Then I would suggest you to copy the first these lines of code here. Okay. After you did that, okay, I just set up my user key to be / and other things, okay. But the most common things I use Vim for are, for example, let's say I want to change this class name, no? I just have to write down, CWE, change inside word. Actually, it's word inside, but you got it, I think. So I go here, JJ activates, JJ activates J Vim insert mode. Okay, so with JJ we go in insert mode of Vim. Okay, we go in Vim mode, okay. Then we do CWI, for example, CWI, and you can see that I deleted already the word it was in, and I can write whatever I want, apples, for example. If I want to delete this line directly, without doing much work, without reaching to the / key, to the delete key, I just write down 2 times D. And it's done. But actually you didn't edit it right now. You may try to remember D because D delete, okay? But actually copied it. So if I write down a paste somewhere, it's gonna paste it. Okay? So, the next one. So DD, delete line. Then the next one. P, paste. Then another one I like is O. Let's say that I want to go and make press enter at the end of this line, for example, and go down, no? But I am in the middle. Okay. I just press O, and here we go. I open a new line. So, O, like enter, new line, under. Then, what else? How to copy. Copy in Vim is yank. So, if I want to copy, for example, I want to copy this heading, I just click 2 times yank. You see that it changed the cursor. And also somewhere here is saying that it's waiting for something. So I click yank again, and then I click paste, and it's gonna paste it. If I keep clicking paste, it's gonna paste it as long as I want to. So then, what else? So if I click P, is gonna paste it. Yank equal to copy line. So how would you copy the word inside here? No, I just say JJ and then I say yank in a word. So I copied the word heading. Okay. So I can say yank in a word. So yank / copy inner word, and that's done. Then what else? You can also, for example, if here inside this tag, I write down so many things. Let's say I write down allorem ipsum or something, you know? And I'm like this, okay? And I want to delete everything that is inside here. It would take time. You would take the mouse, you have to select. So it would take a lot of time to do that. How do you do that? JJ, then you just say delete inner T, so inner tag. Then I click E to go in insert mode, and I can write whatever I want here. So let's add also that one. Oh, undo. Perfect. So another thing, / U is basically undo, and it's like Ctrl Z or Command Z in the Mac, whatever. Then I just told you delete inner tag. So delete inner tag. That's it. Another one would be delete end and delete beginning. For example, let's say that we write something here and we want to delete everything after this E, this A, E, or whatever. So we just say DE and it's going to delete everything after it. If you want to delete everything before, for example, this L, you say DB is going to go back. So delete back. That's it. If I want to delete everything on the line, I click delete. So I can also say, for example, you see that here we have these numbers here. What I like to do sometimes is if I want to delete, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines at the same time, I just write down 4 DD. So if I write down, let's say, digit plus DD means delete n equal digit lines under. Okay, you can also do yank like that. So if I do yank paste, for example, plus y means paste, so yank, and digit under. So for example, I delete this one, this one, this one, this one, okay, and I want to yank the 6th line under this one. So I 6 yank paste. Okay, so it's gonna do that. Undo always goes back. What else? These are the things that I use the most. See, one interesting thing to go at the beginning. Okay, let's do it like that. For example, let's say I'm gonna make another paragraph here. Okay, allorem ipsum. You see that I'm at the end of the file. If I want to scroll down all the way at the beginning, I just say JJ, and then I click 0. And here we go, I'm at the beginning. If I want to go at the end, I just do Shift $. It's going to take me at the end. So 0, Shift $. So let's write it down here. So 0, beginning, jump, and $, and jump. Another thing, of course, if you want to move up, down, left and right, I took it for granted that you already did Vim Adventures or something like that, but you just have to do like this. So H, J, K, and L. That corresponds, H, for example, is left, J is down, and K is up, and L is right. Okay? And a tip that I would suggest you to do is to keep your hand exactly, your index finger, always on the J key, because there is something like like a dot on the J key. I think it's done for blind people so that they can go directly there and start typing. So if you have difficulties to move around in Vim, just remember this. And yeah, I think I'm going to do another video talking about how to speed up your typing process to be more productive generally, typing on a computer or in Visual Studio Code. Make sure you check out that video, and for now we're okay. Copy and paste the settings. You're gonna find everything in the description below, and for now it's okay. I see you in the next video. Ciao.